Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password on Dibs AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in myauthoselect.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Dibs AI website. To proceed with resetting your password, click on the login button at the top right section. Now scroll down and click on login underneath Dibs AI. Now once you're in the login portal, click on the forgot password button underneath the sign in section. Then you will be asked to enter your email address. Go ahead and type in the email address that you used to create your account and click on send request. You will then be told to check your email. So go ahead and log into your email address that you used to create your Dibs AI account and you will find an email with the link to reset your password. Click on the reset my password button and now you will be allowed to create a new password. Go ahead and type in your desired new password and then type it in once again to confirm it. Then you can click on the reset password button and your password will successfully be reset. Now if you go to the login page, you will be able to use your new password along with your original email address to sign in to your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your password on Dibs AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.